To withdraw money from your Cash App, you open up your Cash App. You see there at the top, I got $32. I clicked on it. And down there at the bottom right, you hit Cash Out. And once you hit that, it tells you have $32 available. I'm gonna hit the Cash Out. And you notice that it's gonna charge a fee. You look to the bottom right, it's 48 cents. So that's 1.5% fee. So they charge you a fee to receive money. So once you click that, it's going to show you how much is going to be deposited in your account or card. As you can see, once it's processing, it's $31.52. So they took out 48 cents. So when you hit done, the money would be instantly in your account or card. So that's something you probably need to know, that it's a 1.5%. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.